Sorry guys for the late introduction, but welcome to Abandoned Houses, house tag number 2. We're actually going to a wee abandoned house in Lisburn, and then, I don't know, it's just going to dedicate this video to this abandoned house, but we're going to go to it now. So let's go. Here, we're actually behind it. We're gonna go inside this place. There's not much in it, but we're gonna go in anyway and just see what's there. Because I have no video for today, so I'm just gonna make this a video. Just come over that side. Don't jump, I wouldn't jump. Just. Right, we're inside now. And literally there's some doors here, and then there's Ben, and then there's Daniel, so we're going to go in here and see what else is in here. So as soon as we walk through the door, you can see there's some rooms. I'm going to this room first. Oh my god, look at this room. Look, there's a socket. Look at that fall. I hear mouse. Meese. Look down there, guys. Jesus Christ, this place is weird. So we're going on to the next room here quickly. You're a dick. Oh my god. Look at that. That's a window. And there's a big graffiti sign. That's actually pretty cool graffiti though. Kyle, if you're watching this, there you are. I found you.
I thought that's your face.
Look, there's a door. Look at that door though. It's pretty fucked up.
Checking up.
Look at the dirt of this roof. It's stinking.
Oh, yeah, like.
I know, it's all open. So this was the main living room. It's all dirty. You can get out this window as well, but you probably end up cutting yourself really bad in glass. But there's, you can tell people like to have a wee drink in here. Look,
Kids go in the room.
we're leaving this room, it's shite. We're gonna go into the next room, so let's go. Anyway. Yo, look at this room. Look, there's minions and all. I don't hear what that is.
The closet.
Don't report me. Don't report me. And then there's, look at that, there's another graffiti. Well, it's a bit mad looking just. And there's some armory.
That's gonna be
Pretty mad looking room, isn't it? Oh my god, the kitchen looks so cool. You can tell this house was kind of like abandoned and everything was left behind. Here. Look at this house. What is that? Yo! That's a grinder for weed! Look guys, it's a fucking grinder! Oh my god! Yo Ben, we should get out of here. So we're leaving this room, but it's actually so cool. Like you got all your stuff, like your utensil things, and then got your room over here. And there's a wheat grinder. We're not gonna touch that because there's police evidence, but we're not gonna touch that again. Hopefully we get out of here. Yo, this is the bathroom. For some reason the cooker's in here. Oh my god, is that shit? Ugh. Oh my god. Look how cool that cooker looks though.
What do you do with it all?
I laugh, but there's nothing in them. Look.
I actually really want to open that door now. I'm not.
Right, so this room it's just got this in here. I don't want to show the toilet in case they're shouting it and then I get thingied on YouTube, so there's something on my shoe. Right. And then it's just this room. And there's a paranormal sign, so that's why it's even creepier. But this room is pretty cool. Without the toilet. But that look, what's under the cooker? A grill! So guys, there's a big door here. And if we get 10 likes or 15,
10-15 likes.
we'll open this door and we'll go inside and see what's in this door. We don't even know what it is. It could be like a small room, but it could be a big room. We don't know. But 10-15 likes on the screen right now. That's the goal. And if we get that, then I'll go into this room next time in like a month times. So let's go. So,
What, out there?
yeah, we're leaving now, guys.
That was spooky. I don't want to sign that.
Down.
Do something before I go.
No,
Maybe
right, Daniel's not down.
Maybe something. Ready?
No, bet.
Drop test. Wait,
Go.
whoa. Daniel, that's what
Climb
you're
down,
doing.
Ben.
You go, come here, you know. Okay, Liams. I'm just gonna enter the window. Okay, jump like I did. Just jump. On out the window. Wee sign. Look at that wee.
So 10-15 likes and we'll come back here and we'll explore that wee room. I don't even, it could be anything, I don't know what it is, but we'll explore it. So guys, if I actually get 10 likes, we'll go explore that room, and if I get 15, then we'll go up into the attic, and if we get both of them, then we'll do both. So let's do that. Ben, what was your thoughts about the house?
It was good. We're gonna go check out the other room. If we get 10 likes, we'll check out that room. We'll hit the attic if we get 15 likes, so we're good.
Daniel, what did you think?
Fucking class.
I hope you guys actually did enjoy that wee video. It was just something to make because I thought it would be a good idea. Because considering we have a series exploring abandoned places, the first one didn't go so well, we couldn't get into anywhere. But the second one went well, we found a place to go. And there's also an abandoned factory in Lisburn we're going to show you now. So guys, that's the abandoned house video over. We're gonna edit the vlog now, so get 10 likes, 15 likes, and then we'll do them two things, and comment and subscribe, and peace out guys.